Stop taking relationship advice from people that are not in a relationship or never been in a long-term relationship. Because if the person that you're with is not cheating, they are not beating you up or not doing anything drastic, understand that the both of y'all are gonna argue. Y'all gonna go through stuff. That's how exactly you're gonna know if the person loves you or not. You don't need your toxic, miserable best friend who's gonna tell you to drop your relationship just because they need somebody to go to the club with. Because not every advice are going to be good advice. Some people are going to tell you things just because they are jealous of you. They like your girlfriend or they like your boyfriend. They're gonna tell you things because they realize they'll never be able to get that type of person. So by you listening to them, you're gonna end up hurting yourself more than you can possibly think. And if you really need help with your relationship, it's best to go to a professional. Not only your informations are going to be safe, but on top of that, you're gonna get real help with your relationship. So please stop expecting relationship advice from just anybody.